Hey guys, a little bit different video for you today. I'm going to show you how to install these Brown Dog motor mounts and as well as some problems we had. I'll give you some tips for those. Anyways, welcome back to another episode of Jennings Indoors this time. Seems how we are in a shop. Let's get to it. You got him. They move. So I had to replace my exhaust manifold because of this mess. Guys, that's totally off. Look at that. Totally disconnected. Anyways, they say that a common problem for these is the exhaust manifold, and the reason that they break is because the motor mounts are bad. Well, I replaced my old ones with these ones. Brown Dog actually tells you to do the driver's side before the passenger side, right there. So that's what we did. Basically, you take out this main bolt first, and then you lift the motor, and then there's this one, and then there's one underneath. You got to crawl under there and undo it, and then you can just take your old motor mounts out, put your new ones in. What I did was mounted it to the Jeep first, and then I put this motor mount bolt through, and that seemed to work pretty good. Well, this side was fairly easy. This side was the pain in the butt. So when we put it in there, we obviously put that in first, and the problem we ran into was the engine, the whole engine had moved this way. So the motor mount was offset, and I couldn't get that stud through right here and the one on the back. We fought that for a couple hours. Well, anyways, what we ended up doing some research, and we found that under here on your transmission mounts, there's some bolts right here on your cross member. There's one right here, 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 and here. All you gotta do is loosen those, and that frees up your powertrain, so then you can move the motor around a little bit easier. What we ended up having to do was we stuck a pry bar right in here into this crack, and we cranked that whole mount this way, and we pushed the motor forward. We fought that for a while though, so I just wanted to show you guys what we discovered. A lot of guys on a Facebook forum that I follow say always do the passenger side first. I just like to follow the instructions. Maybe it screwed me, but yeah, all is well. Both mounts are in, and we're putting her back together. Thanks for watching, guys.